What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be taking a closer look at the Tapo C120. Now this is a compact yet powerful security camera from TP-Link's Tapo series. This camera currently retails for about $25 on Amazon. And whether you're looking to enhance your home security or just keep an eye on your pets, this little device promises to deliver an amazing experience. So let's dive right in and see what this thing has to offer. Now, as usual, before we start anything else, let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. Now, once you open up the box, we've got the Tapo C120 camera itself. You've also got a quick start guide, a power adapter, a cool little mounting plate, and some screws. It's pretty standard stuff, but it's always nice to have everything you need right out of the box. Now, at first glance, the Tapo C120 has a sleek, minimalistic design, and it's obviously compact, lightweight, and it has a matte white finish that should blend in well with most home decor. Now, from a build quality perspective, it feels super solid, which is reassuring for a device that's going to be running 24/7. Now, outside of this video, I've played with it for a little bit, and it seems like a very versatile camera that works both indoors and outdoors, and best of all, it's got an IP66 weatherproof constructed body. Now, on top of that, like most of the TP-Link's new cameras, it's also got an easy magnetic base for easy installation. Now, what's nice about this feature is that it also allows you to install and move the camera around as much as you like as your situation and your security needs change. Now, when looking at this little thing, when it's closed up, it actually does look like a compass, which is pretty nice. And as you can see, it is smaller than the palm of my hand. In fact, I do like the fact that you can just fold this camera up and take it anywhere you like. Now, the nice thing also is that the mount itself, or the base, allows you to kind of configure this in various different ways. So placement of this thing is easy and allows you a lot of flexibility. It's also nice that the base of the camera itself is magnetic because that allows you to place it on any magnetic surface and easily mount it pretty much in a number of different places. Now, when it comes to usability, the Tapo C120 is great for novices and experts. Setting up the Tapo C120 is a breeze. All you have to do is just plug it in, download the Tapo app, and follow the on-screen instructions. Now, the app guides you pretty much through the entire process step by step, and within minutes, you're ready to go. And then, once you're set up, you can start exploring the different features within the app itself. Now, when it comes to the camera itself, it's packed with a ton of features. The Tapo C120 offers 2K Full HD video, which delivers clear and detailed footage. It's also got a 130-degree wide-angle lens, so you can cover a broad area with a single camera. Now, as you can see from the footage, the image quality is super impressive. Daytime footage is super sharp and vibrant, while the infrared night vision ensures that you get a clear image even in low light conditions. Now, in addition to that, it's got two built-in dual spotlights which can turn on to provide even greater clarity and color in low light situations. Now, one of the standout features of the Tapo C120 is its motion detection capabilities. In fact, you can customize motion detection zones and sensitivity so that you only get alerts for the areas that matter to you. That means you won't be getting these endless notifications on your phone for every little incident that happens. You can actually set the sensitivity and what notifications you get and when. And then when motion is actually detected, you'll actually receive an instant notification on your phone letting you know that something has crossed your camera or one of those sensitive zones. The Tapo C120 also comes with two-way audio, which means that you can not only hear what's happening around the camera itself, but also communicate it through it. In fact, it's perfect for checking in on pets or warning off intruders when they're where they shouldn't be. Now, when it comes to storage for your security footage, you do have two options that you can choose from. You can either use a micro SD card, which supports up to 512 gigabytes, or you can opt for Tapo's cloud storage service. Now, in my opinion, local storage is great if you want to avoid subscription fees, but the cloud option offers additional security and accessibility and it allows you to store and access archive footage up to the last 30 days. In addition to that, it is very affordable. It's nice if you need that you have the option to look back to the past 30 days if you want to review any security footage for any kind of incidents, or if you need that footage for a specific use case. Now overall, is the Tapo C120 worth it, and would I recommend this camera to you? Now I've been using this camera for about 30 days now, and I love having peace of mind when I'm away on vacation or just away from home. And I love knowing that I can at any time bring up the Tapo app to check on everything at home real time. Now for its price point, it does offer a fantastic range of features, excellent video quality, and an easy to use app. Now whether you need it for home security, monitoring pets, or just keeping an eye on things, to me I think the Tapo C120 is a solid choice. I definitely think that you can't go wrong spending $25 on such a versatile camera that has so many different features. It's worked amazingly well, and I think the build quality overall and the features are great. Anyways, thanks again for checking out and watching this video. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews. If you want one of these for yourself, I'll leave a link to it in the description section below, along with any of my available discount codes. And if you do have any questions about the Tapo C120, drop them in the comments section below. Anyways, see you next time.